Buenos Dias, welcome back to my 28-day fitness challenge. Today is day 8. It is our third leg day and we are going hard. For those of you that are newer to the fitness lifestyle, you might see me do a lot more weight. Pick a weight that's more comfortable, something that is pretty difficult but not so hard that you can't do the last rep. Today is a great booty day. We are hitting quads, hamstrings, the top of your booty right here. We're doing some hyperextensions. Make sure when you're doing the hyperextension you aren't focusing on your lower back. Just watch how I'm doing the exercise so you can get that form on point. Are you guys ready to kill that booty? Well then let's go to the gym. Alright you guys, we are going to start off with a superset. That's right. We are going to start off with box step-ups, 10 reps each leg, and in between each set I do 20 side steps with a band to really feel that burn. And we're doing that for a total of 3 sets. Our second exercise is a hip thrust with a barbell. As you can see, I went up in weight. I am super proud of myself, no big deal. But we are doing 4 sets of 12 reps. Our third exercise is hip adductors. We are doing 4 sets of 12 reps. Then we move on to hamstring curls. We're doing 4 sets of 12 reps as well. And our last exercise is a back extension. We are doing 3 sets of 20 reps. And that's the end of your workout. Enjoy! Welcome back you guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you guys get that booty pump you're looking for so you look great in them jeans. For those of you that haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge. Love you guys. See you later.